have a little closer look on the main big backplate of the Xserve RAID. This is important so that we can understand on the main difficulties we will have. What you can see here, those four things are where the connections where the drives, which are right down here under there, connect directly with the old RAID controller. So there were controller cards slotted in there and in there. We will have to use these ports. As I've mentioned previously, I convert the SATA ports of those drives, and those connections which I use will be coming out of here. So I will have to address which port is which and which I will have to use for the SATA connections. The power will go through those as well. Okay, now the next thing we have to address are those holes. I'm not sure if I hope you can see them quite good. Those continue through the entire PCB, as you can see over there and over there. Those holes are the only way to cool the hard drives. So we will have to send a lot of air through them so that the drives will be cool. So one problem we will face is how we will be able to use those ports and cool them on the same time. But I think I have a quite good solution. The next thing I will show you is how I will be setting my components in the back of the Xserve RAID. Okay guys, now you can see my plan for this Xserve RAID. So this system is configured to push as much air as possible from the back here through the components, and then from here out through the drives out to the front. So yes, that's the way the air will go. Therefore, in this configuration I set up 5 of my F12 Arctic coolers, and yes, 2 of them are quite close to the main motherboard, the main board of the old Xserve, and the middle is free so that we can reach for those 4 ports to get them wired up. We have one big problem with this setup, and this is the RAID card, because this is the network card, because the air goes through there and hits this card. But I have in the moment I have no idea how I can fix this. There are cards which you can slot in the PCI Express to expand this port, but in the moment I don't want to do that. I may in the future. We will see how the cooling will go on. So the air goes through there, around there, takes the air of the motherboard and the CPU, through those fans, through the drives and out of the front. I hope you can see in front of here is a gap. This gap is essential because the Ethernet cable will run through there, so it goes from the Ethernet card out directly out of here. This will be the only connection that the Xserve RAID will have, other than the power connection, which is down here. I will reuse the old power the power button and the volume mute button and the alarm button. I will have to look if I can reuse them. I'm not sure about that in the moment. We will see. This fan will be essential for the cooling of the middle drives, because I have to have a big part between the Xserve RAID board and the fan, because of the wiring which goes into those ports. The only parts missing in here in the moment are the fan controller and the RAID controller. The fan controller will hover over here, not directly on this fan, just above it, because then, yes, there needs to be air circulation in this area, so the power supply won't die. The RAID card, I'm not sure where to put it in the moment. There is a possibility to put around 3 here, but then I can't look onto those LED indication lights, but yes, we will see how we go on with that. So this is this will be my configuration for the Xserve RAID hack. I hope you've enjoyed it. The next video will be about soldering the carriages.
Hallo.
Ich hab die Box da, steht unten. Okay.
Da steht sie doch.
Ah, perfekt, danke. So the next part will be about converting the cartridges to SATA ports, and then we have to wait for the remaining cable enjoyed the build so far. Leave a comment on what you think about it, and have a good one. Goodbye. Thank you.